Hi, and welcome back to Huffler Garage. So today we're actually going to show you something we found out in a field, and the owner of it is actually going to let us have it. We just got to get it cleaned up. So here we go. This is what we found. This is a Nissan 240 SX, and as you can see, it's been sitting out here probably for more than 15 years. And surprisingly, from what we see at this picture view, the body itself looks good. There is one glass broken out on the back. So our plan with this car is just to pull it out, see what needs to be done. From what we understand, we were told the engine was blown, which is, it's the 2.4 truck engine. It's a piece of junk anyways. But our whole idea is to fix this thing up and show you the process along the way. And I guess we're going to start cleaning up around it. And we'll show you the inside once we get some of these weeds and trees out of the way. Just gonna win that. Alright guys, so we got it cleaned out around, we got the hood open. First thing we saw when we opened the hood, someone's pulled the radiator, the air box is pulled off. It looks like the fuse box is up here, unbolted, fuse has been taken out of this. Which we didn't really plan on keeping this engine per se, but this is, so we got inside the car, and the mileage on it is 199,000, and it was parked roughly by the tag. It was parked in 03, so that's coming up on 17 years total. So this is what we got. Hopefully we can get it pulled out. We'll do some shots of the inside of the car, and you'll get to see the interior as well. We're going to throw a tarp over it for now to cover up that window that's broken so it doesn't get any more water in it. What the fuck is that? So we just got finished with the 240 SX. We still got to go put the tarp on it. We're walking around this farm and we're looking at the other vehicles that might be projects in the future. So if we come over here, we have an 86 F-150. It's a four-wheel drive. It's actually got the 4.9 inline six, and it looks pretty spacious, and there's actually a 460 up in the barn we may end up putting in it. But this baby is baby blue. I'll show you the interior real quick. You look inside here, the interior actually looks pretty good. The dash is cracked, but that booth seat, and usually upholstery is the most expensive thing to fix. The upholstery actually looks, I would say, probably the best out of any truck that's been sitting out here. And so this thing actually, hold on, let me look at it real quick. It is a 4-speed on the floor. So it is a manual 4-wheel drive, and we have to do something with this as well later. We have a lot of projects going on, so we're just going to give you a shot of what we have and what we might do. So what we have here is an 85 GMC van. It's a Rally STX. It has the 350 in it, and as far as we know, when it was parked, it just needed a fuel line to the carburetor. It does have a tarp over it because the windows have been shot out by some kids with BB guns, but this might be another project we get to later on. And let's see the interior.